Now, you have probably heard about using clove oil for toothache relief, right? But here's the thing. Many people shy away from it. Why? Well, it's all about that intense burning sensation. Pure clove oil is super concentrated, which means it can feel like you are setting your mouth on fire. You can mix it with a carrier oil to tone it down, but then you are sacrificing some of its effectiveness. It's a classic catch-22. But don't worry, we have got a simple solution. Stick with me to find it out. Let's talk science for a sec. There is this compound in clove oil called eugenol, and it's a total superhero when it comes to fighting tooth pain. It's got two superpowers. One, it's an anesthetic, which means it numbs the pain. Two, it's antibacterial. So it's not just masking the problem, it's actually fighting the bad guys causing it. This dynamic duo is why clove oil is often recommended for mild toothache caused by irritated nerve endings. But remember, we are not stopping at clove oil. We are about to level up. It's simple yet effective solution. The secret of tooth pain relief without the burn. Plain old cloves. Instead of clove oil, use whole cloves. Here's how. Put a few whole cloves in your mouth. Soften them with saliva. Crush them with your non-painful molars. Hold the crushed clove against your aching tooth for 30 minutes. Spit out and repeat once more. It's that easy. No mixing, no burning, just relief. While this trick works wonders for temporary relief, it's not a permanent fix. If pain persists for more than a couple of days, please see your dentist.